What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to discover a YouTube channel, email address in order to contact wherever influencer or YouTuber that you would like to contact for whatever reason you have, okay? For example, a business proposal or something like a feedback, anything you want, okay? From YouTube you can collect the email addresses, and here is how. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is locate the channel where you would like to collect the email in order to contact, okay? So for example, one of my subscriptions is Oxygen, that is a great WordPress tool, okay? And from here you're gonna be into a channel, any channel you like, and move to About. Just a note before this normally only works into your computer, no works on mobile apps in my tests, okay? But it works for you, let me know into the comments. But go to the channel that would like to know the email address in order to contact, click into the About section, okay? And after this, you're gonna be able to see this option right here, the details, and for business inquiries, okay, you can click into view email address. You're gonna need to prove that you are not a robot, okay? For example, I'm gonna need to solve this. After submitting the captcha, you're gonna click into the submit button, and you're gonna be able to see the email address in order to enter in contact with this YouTuber you would like, okay? If you do not see this option right here, just try to refresh the page, okay, the About section. You're gonna be able to see the details, and even if you do not see the details, try to go to their website or to their Facebook or Twitter account, and you're gonna be able to see the email addresses there. But if you still can't find, let me know into the comments below the YouTube URL, the YouTube channel URL, the link, and I'm gonna help you to find the email address, okay? But it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know into the comment section below if you have any question. Don't forget to check our Borderless WordPress plugin, to check this plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your WordPress website completely free. In addition to our amazing Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can have, and you can install it for free. Moreover, if you run a blog and would like to connect with a community to list your site right here in order to receive guest posts, to publish guest posts on your site, just go to growth.net and submit your site. It's free as well. And in the case that you prefer to go premium, just go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and go pro in order to unlock access to our full templates library of amazing pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, premium blogs, templates, tools, features, and many more pro features, including our support helping you to do your site. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!